Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin price is about to explode. Here is why. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin about to explode and exactly the reasons why. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, helps out a lot. Also join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love, where we share all of today's charts. Now, fear and greed at 75, up from yesterday's and last week's 70 and 72. The overall market up 1.5%. Bitcoin at 52,427, Ethereum at 29.13, BNB at 352, Solana 111, XRP 55 cents, Cardano 62 cents, Avalanche $39, and Dogecoin 8 cents. And Bitcoin, after having a very steep run-up, did meet some resistance, almost $53,000. But you can see a little bull flag forming right here, and Bitcoin is on the verge of exploding. We're going to go over exactly why if you stick with us through this episode. Now, as we can see right here, the spot Bitcoin ETF has been pretty popular. As we can see, on average, well over 6,000 Bitcoin per day. Some of the days over 12,000 Bitcoin scooped up by some of these ETFs like BlackRock, Fidelity, things like that. Should be noted, they hold right now 726,000 Bitcoin. That's almost 5% of all the Bitcoin out there already scooped up in just a month from these ETFs. That's kind of mind-blowing. But over the past few days, this little flag that we saw right here, well, over the past few days, this was happening because miners were selling off. So over the past 10 days, Bitcoin miners capitalized on a Bitcoin price surge from 45,000 to over 52,000 by selling approximately 6,000 Bitcoin. This caused the price to go sideways a little bit, but because of all the buying going on from BlackRock, Fidelity, did not cause anything more than that. And we're seeing right now, Bitcoin shorts are about to get squeezed. Bitcoin has broken the downtrend, and likely this is going to cause everyone shorting to get squeezed, which will cause the price to jump up dramatically. As a matter of fact, there is the possibility that we could have another leg this high going up on Bitcoin. And if we just move this little line right here, just to give us an idea how high this could go, well, that roughly $60,000 to $63,000. That could be pretty bananas. Now, also, we have DXY, which generally goes inversely proportional to Bitcoin, finding trendline resistance and first red candle there showing there a little bit of weakness. Should DXY go down, Bitcoin is likely to go up even higher. Now, we take a look at the relative strength index. Following par for the course, same thing, yellow to orange to next red, and then cycle peak incoming very, very soon for Bitcoin. When we take a look at the money flow oscillator, it is in full green mode here down on the bottom. Strong bullish mode. Last time this happened, this went from $300 to $20,000, from $5,000 to $60,000. Well, now from $30,000 to what? I don't know, but it's probably going to be a lot higher. We have a breakout right now of the 61.8 fib. Last time this happened, this was all up parabolic territory for Bitcoin. So things are about to get explosive, can have moves happening very, very quickly in months, matter of months. Now, Bitcoin versus money supply ready to break through the monthly Ichimoku cloud. You can see this right here. More than likely a very significant development. The real bull run is coming, and you're probably still sidelined. Yes, Bitcoin breaking through the monthly Ichimoku cloud on that. Also, if we take a look here, on the cycle channel oscillator, once it crosses greater than 1, we usually enter the parabolic phase. Well, guess what? Crossing the greater than 1 right now, entering the parabolic phase, you can see the parabolic growth that happened the past few times this happened. So all of these suggesting massive moves for Bitcoin. And if we take a look at the Gaussian channels here, breakout from, or Gaussian channel changing from orange to green, breakout from that fib level, previous resistance right here, you see all of these happening. This is exactly like it was September of 2020, right before the explosive takeout. This last little downtrend could be the last moment you have before things go absolutely parabolic. And the best news is, it appears like there's still a long way to reach the cyclical top. If we take a look right now, the Bitcoin not moved in over 6 months is currently at 63%, down from 80% at 16,000 and 71% at 29,000. But previous cyclical tops, it was at 5 to 15%. So we still have a long way to go until the next top. but it looks like Bitcoin is about to launch. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.